Thank you. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I have the Look Fantastic Beauty Box for August 2021. This was sent to me free for review, so let's get inside and review it. You will always get my honest review. In the boxes that are sent to me for review, I am always very clear and upfront with anybody who offers to send me a box that I'm going to be honest about it right from the beginning. If I like it, if I don't like it, if there are items I don't like, you will know. This is the Look Fantastic August box. I will put my link below, and if you sign up for an annual subscription, you will get your first box for $1, and then going forward, you still pay monthly. Even though you sign up for an annual, you are only committed to the annual. You still pay monthly. So let's dig right in and check this out. This is a really cool looking, it has a real 70s vibe. I really like the way that looks. On the inside, it says, "Together we can do great things, LF Beauty Box." Look Fantastic is kind of like a British Sephora. They are a beauty retailer, and this is their beauty box, and it says togetherness. Let's get together again. I'm so excited about that. I'm busy seeing my babies and happy. What's in the box? And this shows us what we're gonna have, and then it tells us a little bit about each one individually, and then usually at the back, it gives us information on items. I have been trying to more intentionally read these because you know what? We're using so much stuff on our face now. I am trying to educate myself more about what it is that we're putting on our faces. So this month, I'm gonna learn about turmeric. They're teaching about oily skin in the summer. I don't have that. Ooh, how to fake a facelift. Do you think I'm gonna read that one? Shh. Yes, I am. I need to fake a facelift. I think it's just put everything higher. And what's coming up? Well, just for the record, ooh, in the September box, they're going to have a lippy that's a by Terry. Baume de Rose Flaconnette. Nourish your lips with by Terry's signature lip balm. I love the by Terry lip balm. I think it was probably in this or GlossyBox that I tried it first. But that is what we're gonna get next month. So I am excited to try that. Okay, enough about next month. Let's open this month. When we open the box that is so nicely wrapped, that is what it looks like. Full of goodies, and look how pink it is. I love that. Right on top, we have this fun looking bag. It's called Bubble Tea Rhubarb and Custard Bath Fizzer. So is it just one? It feels like one big bath bomb. We're gonna take it out and look at it. It says rhubarb and custard bath fizzer packed with scents of tangy rhubarb and creamy custard. Indulge and relax with this sweet treat inspired bath fizzer. That is what it looks like. You know, I have shopped at Lush for years. Their bath bombs are the bomb, but so many people now have started making really nice bath bombs. This is suitable for vegans and cruelty-free. The paperwork says, take your bath to new heights of relaxation and scent with this super sweet bubble tea bath fizzer. The perfect self-care night edition, leaving you feeling revitalized and restored. It is paraben-free. Oh, it's still wrapped in here too. Oh, it looks like a Tylenol, like a little pillet. That is really cool. Oh, but I can smell it now. Oh, it smells good. I don't know what rhubarb would smell like, but this smells really, I can smell the fruitiness, kind of citrusiness of it. It says it has citric acid and Chinese fall fruit extract. That smells good. I just did a whole speech the other day about how personally, I love getting body products because, you know, you use them. We get so many other creams and those kinds of things that how many moisturizers can I use in a month? But the body things, I go through some body stuff. Next out of the box, I have a Skimono Radiance Recovery 4C Plumping Collagen, Calming Chamomile, Refreshing Cucumber, Firming Vitamin C with Peptide 2X Eye Masks. That's what the front of that says. And the book says, a potent eye serum mask that is enriched with liposome technology to reduce the look of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. I will try anything that says anything about dark circles. Used for an instantly brighter under eye area that feels refreshed and radiant. Collagen, chamomile, cucumber, and vitamin C. Next out, we have a Filorga Age Purify Intensive. This is another brand that I don't think I'd ever heard of until, and I always say either glossy or look fantastic. I'm never sure which, because they do some of the same brands because they're both British, but I have tried several products. They do an under eye cream. That's not what this is, right? No, this is just an Age Purify Intensive. They do an under eye cream that I have been using and really liking. A one-of-a-kind age purifying serum that tackles both blemishes and wrinkles all at once. With this totally unique Filorga formula, this serum protects against external aggressors and reduces the appearance of imperfections. It has a niacinamide, sweet almond oil, citric acid, and glycolic acid. I will probably set this aside for a giveaway. Let's see actually if it's sealed. It is not sealed, so I will show you what it looks like on the back of my hand. I try not to put things that aren't sealed in giveaways. Can you guys see where I just put that on my hand there? It's got a real serum-y wetness to it. It doesn't feel like a lotion. It feels just really wet. When I put it on, it just goes in very quickly. It's like a liquid. Did it say it was a serum? Yes, it says it's a serum, age purifying serum. I guess because I talked about the eye cream, I expected it to be a cream. It smells really, really nice. It's very subtle, but it's very clean, and I like that scent a lot. I would like all of my skincare to smell like this. I like that a lot. Ooh, my hand is absorbing it. I wish I could use glycolic acid on my face. You know, since I've played with it, I almost want to try. So if I come on here in a few days and everything's very red and angry, I tried the glycolic acid. Okay, next out of the box, we have what looks like makeup. It is Ciate London, I think, by the box. Yes, it says Glow to Illuminating Blush. Oh, I just had one of these. And this is in Matchmaker. You know what? I think the one I had was in Matchmaker. We will open this ever so quickly for me to show you guys, and then I will close it right back up because I think that I got this in another box. When you take it out, that is what it looks like. Did I show you the box? That is what the box looked like. That is what it looks like. Oh, it's a little crunched up. I probably wouldn't put that in a giveaway. I will see if one of my grandbabies wants that. It's so shiny, but it doesn't go on that shiny. It looks kind of, I have used the other one. I really like it. It works kind of like the Hourglass blushes do. It has just a little bit of shine to it, enough to be like, pow, but not so much that you're like, uh-oh. It's a really nice color. I like it a lot. The paperwork on it says, get a natural flush of color and an enviable glow with this marble illuminating blusher. With a lightweight finish, it is ideal for a no makeup look, whilst being buildable for something more full coverage. Right, next out we have a Glow Mask Remover. Oh, that's cool. Innovative fiber technology. Well, I am 100% a microfiber junkie, maybe. I use microfibers on my face every day. That's what I use instead of a washcloth. I wonder what makes this one for masks. That is so, look, and your little hand fits in the back. I wonder why you couldn't just use it. You could do whatever you want with it, but every day for a washcloth. I like that a lot, but can you imagine if you had like a mud mask that was a little difficult to get off, having this to, I like that a lot. A polyester fiber cloth specially designed to quickly and effectively remove product residue from the skin surface. Its fibers don't absorb any product, making the cloth easy to clean after use. And it isn't rough on the skin, so it doesn't cause any unnecessary irritation. I use them all the time, and I totally believe that. Well, I will definitely be using this. Honestly, if I like it, I will probably be buying more because I'm just using actually mostly Norwex cloths, but this feels kind of like that. I'll be trying this out. I like the idea of it being hand-sized. And last but not least, out of the box, we have an Ahava Smoothing Body Lotion, Superfood, Kale and Turmeric. Well, I don't like to eat kale, so maybe I'll like it on my body. That is what that looks like, and it is 1.3 fluid ounces. The paperwork says, a hydrating body lotion infused with superfoods, kale and turmeric to moisturize skin and revive the senses. Its formula protects skin from premature aging, all whilst smoothing and deeply nourishing. Wanted to do a quick review of the ingredients, even for my body, and it's just a nice little white cream. Let's see how it smells, because let's be frank, if we're gonna put it all over our body, we wanna know if it smells nice, and we wanna know if it absorbs nicely. Oh, it smells very nice. Now let's see how it absorbs. It smells very clean. Does not smell like kale or turmeric to me. I think it just said fragrance. Yeah, about halfway up it just says fragrance. It's just a very clean scent. There's nothing, yeah, it's just clean. I like it a lot. And it is absorbing very nicely. 2 thumbs, those are not thumbs. 2 thumbs up. Oh boy. It made my hands really soft. Okay, that is the Look Fantastic for August 2021. It is the Beauty Box Edit 08, I guess 08 being August, Togetherness. Let's get together again. That is what that looks like. I will put my link below, and if you sign up for 12 months, your first box will be $1. Thank you so much for coming by. We got the Ahava Smoothing Body Lotion. It smells very nice and absorbed very quickly. We have the Glove Mask Remover, which I cannot wait to try. I love using microfibers on my face. I have the Filorga Age Purified Intensive with glycolic acid. Does she or does she not have the nerve? Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. I've had this so I didn't swatch it so I can pass it along, but these are gorgeous little blushes. If you like the Hourglass, but they're probably not as spendy as the Hourglass ones, I really enjoy these. The Skimono Radiance Recovery 4C Plumping Collagen Mask for under our eyes. And this Bubble Tea Rhubarb and Custard Bath Fizzer is 100 grams, by the way, which is 3.52 ounces, if anybody is checking. It smells so clean and fun. Yeah, I definitely want to fizz up a bath with that. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know below. Happy to help if I can. I hope you are having a great day. I can't wait to see you again. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. Take care, guys. Bye.